talking exclusively to NNIS about the expectations from the general budget, which will be presented by the NDA government on 10th July. Economic professor and advisor Jagdish Shettigar said that the defense sector should be given adequate funding. Shettigar said that it is extremely important to strengthen the defense sector of the country, and hence the defense expenditures, especially under the capital expenditure category, should be increased.
Personally, I feel that there should be hike, and especially in the modernization, because our defense forces should be equipped, especially on the capital capital expenditure of the defense. That should, there is a need to raise the defense expenditure. If you want to strengthen the defense forces, keeping in view the threat we are seeing, there is definitely a need for raising the defense expenditures, especially under the capital expenditure category. So, as a citizen of the country, I definitely feel that it should be hiked. So, we have to have, keeping in view the overall what we call the cultural background of the country. So, we have to evolve what we call the India model and all. So, we have to, I mean, as I said, that the government has got all the potentiality of initiating what could be termed as India model, or you can even call it as Narendra Modi model. It is not a different. But as I said that for all India, we require a separate what we call the approach, keeping in view the overall cultural background of the country, which this government is capable of doing. We have to see that whether they will do it when they implement the budget.
Powered by NNIS.